Which airport is he flying into?
JFK.
At 11?
11:30.
Have the car service pick you up at around 10:30. Tell them to take the DQE to the LIE to the Van Wyck. That'll get you to the airport by 11. Oh, but tell the driver to take the Midtown Tunnel back. It'll cost you $3.50, but the Manhattan-bound traffic on the Williamsburg Bridge will be too heavy.
Do you ever go dancing?
Sometimes I do. My friend Sheila goes to this club on Wednesday nights and sometimes invites a bunch of us girls to go.
I'd like to go sometime.
Sure.
Will you let me know next time we go?
A bunch of us girlfriends go. It's fun. The music's great and it's fun. You don't have to worry about guys trying to pick you up because it's all women. I like to go there and dance. There's this kind of warm, like when you go to the bathroom, there's only one line and everyone's really nice and smiles.
You ever asked someone to dance with you?
We kind of stick to each other as friends. Sheila usually knows a bunch of women there and I've met them.
You ever meet someone there that seemed like interesting to you?
No, not there. Have you?
What?
In St. Louis, do they, or have you been to?
There's like a few places, but my friend Janet says that only college girls go to clubs. Older lesbians just stay at home and brew their own beer. That's actually what everyone in St. Louis does. Stays at home, brews their own beer, and like checks their emails.
But I mean, have you ever?
I can't imagine any woman who's never felt attracted to you.
Right.
Because I mean, how could you actually know if you've never?
You want a beer?
Yeah, I'd love one.
I hope I have some.
What time is it?
Just about 6.
Oh.
What?
I promised my roommates that I'd clean the apartment by the time they got back from their trip, and it's gonna be in about an hour.
Just wait here a couple more minutes.
I should really go.
Just wait 1 minute.
Why?
I wanna show you something.
What?
Take my watch. What time is it now?
5:59.
And how many seconds?
38.
And what day is it today?
Thursday.
What time is it now?
5:59 and 50 seconds.
So count 'em.
What?
Count them down. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1. What? Yeah, it's quiet. Oh, it's Thursday and it's 6 and it's quiet. I'll call you tomorrow.
Okay.
See ya.
Okay, bye.